Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan. Ngayong September 2023, money, career, finances. This is a general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin ang inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, Cancer, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So let's see your overall energy for September 2023, money, career, finances. You have the Hierophant. Meron kayong mga aaralin, no? This is about wisdom and also mentorship. Or meron kayong mga aasikasuhin na mga papers, papeles, no? Permits. Okay, let's see what else. What is your challenge? Two of Pentacles. Maaring merong dalawang career, business na pinagsasabay mo. But I think, yung iba sa inyo, medyo nahihirapan, no? Na i-manage. So, i-clarify natin yan later on. What is your opportunity? Ano yung opportunity ng mga Cancer? Ooh. May opportunity to end something, to transform your current situation sa career mo, sa business mo, sa trabaho mo. What is the blessing? Ano yung blessing for Cancer? You have the Four of Pentacles, so you have financial stability. And some of you are also going to save more money. Mas marami kayong may ipon ngayong September. Parang meron kayong babaguhin na habit ninyo na alam nyong hindi na nakakatulong for your growth. Let's say, yung iba mahilig mag-overspend. So, ngayong September, medyo kayo ay magtitipid. So, let's see. What is the Hierophant? Four of Cups. Someone is going to, merong mangkukumbinse or kukumbinse sa inyo na meron kayong kailangang subukan na bagong opportunity. Siguro parang nagko-confide kayo sa tao na to na sinasabi nyo na, oh, ganito, nahihirapan na ako, pinagsasabay ko tong trabaho ko or business na to, or nagmumultitask ako, or pagdating sa trabaho nyo, ang dami nyong ginagawa, so some of you are, being stressed. So, itong person na to ay magbibigay sa inyo ng advice, what to do. Okay, kaya lang yung iba sa inyo pwedeng ayaw nyo nung advice na yun. Diba? What is the Two of Pentacles? You have the Star. I think, yung pangarap kasi ng iba sa inyo, hindi siya aligned sa ginagawa ninyo, sa trabaho ninyo. Let's say, for example, you want to be a successful singer or an actress. Pero, nasa corporate world kayo, 'di ba? paano nyo maaabot yon? Kasi, paano mangyayari yon? Nasa ibang reality kayo. So, I think this is about you shifting your reality. You have an opportunity to shift your reality through transformation, no? And yung transformation na yan, yung change na yan, nangyayari yan, the moment that you create your own change sa buhay mo. Yes, Ten of Cups, there's going to be a satisfaction dito sa pagbabago na gagawin mo. Endings and new beginnings. What is the Four of Pentacles? You have the Ten of Swords. Yes, meron talagang ending. Lalo na kung very stressful yung career ninyo, trabaho ninyo lately. So, I think ngayon mas naiisip mo kung ano yung pwede mo pang magawa, kung paano ka pa mas magiging productive kung gagamitin mo yung oras at panahon mo in creating something on your own. Ayan, having a backup plan is a good way to deal with unexpected financial crisis. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring maka-experience ng crisis pagdating sa finances ninyo. Pero, importante is you are prepared for that, no? May ipon, ganun. Taking chances. So, ito, you're going to take a leap of faith in this situation. You're going to be more courageous. May lakas ng loob ka na sumubok ng bago. So, yeah, I think you really need to consider yung iba nyong options ngayon. Yung ibang options sa inyo, online selling, online retail, online job, online business. Meron kayong opportunity to become your own boss. Yan. Anything related to the internet. Pwede rin tong content creation. Kailangan din na if you are, kung meron kang papasuking business or kontrata, kailangan malinaw sa'yo yung terms, conditions, policies, rules ng pinapasok mo. Kasi baka mag-backfire yun sa'yo. Minsan kasi nakakatamad basahin yung mga contracts. But, it is your protection rin eh. Oo, you also need to protect yourself. Otherwise, baka this will be taken against you, against your will. Okay? But, what I'm seeing here is, maaring ikaw rin yung nagbablock doon sa changes na pwedeng ma-experience mo pagdating sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo. Kasi the only time, no, na makaka-experience ka ng happiness, fulfillment is making that change. Pipili ka ng business, career, situation sa finances mo na kung saan mas productive ka. Healthy boundaries, Red Jasper. So, you are setting healthy boundaries sa trabaho. Halimbawa, lagi kang pinag-OT. Yung iba, OTY na. Thank you na lang. So, kailangan, learn how to say no. 'Di ba? Hindi naman laging ipiplease natin yung boss natin. Mahirap yun. Nakaka-stress, 'di ba? And dun na pumapasok yung na parang you feel so tired, no? Patience. Be patient sa sarili mo. Na, oo, sa ngayon, you feel like parang mahirap, may gawing pagbabago. Pero ang tanong masaya ka ba sa current situation mo? Gusto mo pa bang maka-experience ng iba? 'Di ba? So, bago mo ma-experience yun, kailangan ikaw mismo magbibigay ng change sa situation mo. Sabi rito, anxiety isn't trying to limit you, but free you from a situation that no longer feels good. See, what is your discomfort trying to free you from? Oo nga naman. Kasi if you feel like parang ang hirap na pumasok sa trabaho or ang hirap nang i-pursue itong current situation mo sa trabaho, sa business mo, it only means it's like a sign that, you know, things are changing. There has to be a change. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.